Snapchat is famously known for its privacy-focused features and has seen exponential growth among millennials. Although it's still a great way to chat and share messages, images, videos, snaps, and more with your friends and family, there are other ways to reach out to more people. Yes, you can reach out to a large audience on Snapchat. It's the Snapchat Public Profile, which is a feature that lets Snapchatters create shareable content to connect with fans and followers. Before we proceed to the steps on how to make your profile public on Snapchat, there are some eligibility criteria that the app requires you need to take into account. The eligibility requirements for a basic public profile are: users who are 18 years of age or above, have had the Snapchat account for more than 24 hours, have a minimum of one friend on the app, and lastly, adhere to the community guidelines of the app. How to make a public profile on Snapchat app. To create a public profile, follow these steps. Open the Snapchat app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the camera screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down to the Who Can section. Here we need to make our profile visible to everyone. To do this, tap on the Contact Me option and select the first option that says Everyone. Now tap on the back button and tap on the View My Story option and select the Everyone option. Now when we visit the user profile page again, we are greeted with a new section that says Public Profiles. Tap on the Create Public Profile option under the Public Profiles section. All the benefits and features of a public profile will be explained on the screen by Snapchat. Tap on the Continue button and then the Get Started button. To create a public profile, you will see a pop-up for the final confirmation. Select the Create button to continue. Back on the Settings page, you should see a new section called Public Profiles, with a section called My Public Profile under it. To get started, tap on it. Now you can edit the details included in your profile by tapping on Edit Profile button. That's all there is to it. Your Snapchat public profile has been created. Note: if you cannot find the option to create a public profile in your app version, then try to change your location to the US with the help of a VPN service. However, this only seems to work for some users. In case it does not work for you, you'll need to wait a few days for Snapchat to introduce public profiles to your area. If you like this video, do consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe and hit that bell notification icon to receive more informative content. Thanks for watching.